Have you ever wondered if someone has been snooping around on your devices when you aren't around? Every device has secrets, logins, USB plugins, applications being opened, lock screen access, all leaving breadcrumbs behind. The problem is, those breadcrumbs are scattered across event logs and system histories like a crime scene with no labels. Presenting to you Remo Uncover. Remo Uncover is a simple computer forensics tool that helps you probe what really happened on a device without having to be a deep forensics expert. Instead of dumping raw logs, it turns the mess into clean categories, summaries, and drill downs. With Remo Uncover, you spend less time digging through noise and more time uncovering the story. Break down your entire investigation into three simple steps. 1. Scan for suspicious activity. 2. Correlate the evidence. 3. Generate report. Download Remo Uncover today to weed out suspicious behavior.